In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your iPhone to iCloud. Whether you're planning to upgrade your phone or just want to keep your data safe, knowing how to back up your iPhone is an important skill. Following these simple steps, you'll have peace of mind knowing your data is securely stored in iCloud. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is connect your device to a Wi-Fi network. This is crucial because an iCloud backup can use a lot of data, and it's always a good idea to save your cellular data for other tasks. Head over to your settings app, then look for the Wi-Fi option. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network before proceeding, as this will ensure that the backup process is swift and uninterrupted. Once you're all set with Wi-Fi, the next step is to enable iCloud backup. Begin by going to the main page of your settings app. At the top, you'll see your name or the name associated with the Apple ID. Tap on it. This will take you to your Apple ID settings. Next, select iCloud, and from there you'll see the option for iCloud backup. Go ahead and toggle iCloud backup to the on position. This setting will automatically back up vital data like your photos, contacts, and app data to iCloud whenever your phone is charging and connected to Wi-Fi. With iCloud backup now enabled, it's time to move on to starting a backup manually. This step is especially useful if you want to ensure everything is up to date before a significant change, such as a phone replacement or software update. Still in the iCloud backup section, you'll notice a button labelled Backup Now. Tap this to start the process. While the backup is running, make sure your iPhone remains connected to the Wi-Fi network and power. This not only speeds up the process but also helps avoid interruptions that might happen if your phone loses power mid-backup. Depending on how much data you have, this process might take a bit of time, so patience is key here. Finally, once the backup is completed, your iPhone will show you the date and time of the last successful backup. This is a handy reference to ensure everything was completed correctly. It's good practice to periodically check this information to confirm regular backups are happening as they should. And there you have it, a complete guide to backing up your iPhone to iCloud. By following these steps, you'll ensure your precious data is safe and secure. Thanks for watching, and be sure to keep your backups regular. See you next time.